We've talked before about what makes something feel boring. It's either too difficult and tedious, or on this side of the pendulum, it's too easy and monotonous. So how can we make something interesting? And we can. I first got this idea from a life coach named Miss Jody Moore, and I heard her give a podcast a couple of months ago about creating fun. So I'm cross-applying a couple of her ideas here. First of all, our brains will light up and be more interested if we're engaging our five senses in a positive way and receiving more positive sensory feedback. So if you've got a tedious task to do, use those five senses. Maybe you want to be able to see out your favorite window in the house while you're sipping a mug of your favorite hot cocoa or coffee, while you're touching and wearing your slippers and propped up against your poofiest pillow. You get the idea. Use those five senses in a positive way, and your brain is going to be more interested. Other idea number 2. Can you make a game out of whatever it is? And can you be winning along the way? So maybe you have another project in front of you that feels really boring. So you say to yourself, if I can get this next part of the project done in 20 minutes, then I win 20 minutes on the phone with my best friend, or 20 minutes with my nose in my favorite book. You get it. Employ those five senses in a positive way, create games and win along the way, and then you have just created interest out of something that would otherwise be boring. My 2 cents in these 2 minutes.